Hello everyone, today I will discuss about the causes of disagreement in cash book and passbook balance. So first causes is the check deposited but not collected by bank. Business deposit the customer's checks into bank for the purpose of collection, but in this case bank not collected such amount from the customer's account. So we take an example to clarify these things. Business deposit a check of rupees 500 into bank. When business deposit a check into bank, it will record in cash book. So business record such amount in cash book. Suppose the opening balance of a cash book rupees 1000. Then when check deposited by business into bank, then such amount of check recorded in cash book. So business add this money in passbook balance, in cash book balance. So 500 add in cash book. So the total balance of cash book rupees 1500. But bank not collected such amount from the customer's account. So bank not record such amount in passbook. So the passbook balance is rupees 1000. At last the cash book balance rupees 500 more than from passbook balance. In this way, passbook balance differ from cash book balance. Next causes is the check issued but not presented for payment. Business check paid to supplier or creditor for the purpose of a payment, but the creditor does not present it in the bank. When business paid supplier, when business check paid to supplier, it will record in cash book, but the creditor does not present the check in bank, so it will not record in passbook. So we take an example. Business paid a check of rupees 1000 to creditor for the purpose of payment. For purpose of payment, but the creditor does not present it in bank. When business check paid to creditor, it will record in cash book balance. Suppose opening balance of cash book rupees 5000. When check paid for the purpose of payment, then business less such amount from the opening balance of cash book. So here less 1000 from opening balance, and the total balance of a cash book is rupees 4000. But such check not presented by creditor in bank, so bank not record such transaction in passbook balance. So passbook balance rupees 5000 constant, and in this way cash book balance rupees 1000 less than from passbook balance, and the differ of amount rupees 1000 cash book balance from passbook balance. Next is the direct deposit made by customer into bank. When a customer deposit sum of money in bank in business account, it will record only in passbook, but business do not know about the transaction, so it will not record in cash book. Suppose rupees 5000 deposited by customer into bank in business account. So when cash deposited into bank, bank record such amount in passbook balance, but business do not know about the transactions, so it will not record in cash book. Suppose opening balance of a cash book rupees 1000 and opening balance of passbook rupees 1000. Here when deposit amount in bank record such amount in passbook. In case of a deposit, the amount add in opening balance of a cash book. So the total balance of a passbook rupees 6000. but it will not record in cash book. So the balance of a cash book remain constant, that is rupees 1000. In this way, cash book balance differ from cash book balance. In this way, cash book balance differ from passbook balance. Passbook balance. Here the difference is rupees 5000. Next is the bank charges debited by bank only. Bank charges debited by bank only. Any charges taken by bank, it will record in passbook, but it will not record in cash book. Suppose rupees 100 charges taken by bank, then such amount record in passbook but not record in cash book. Suppose opening balance of a cash book rupees 1000 and opening balance of a passbook rupees 1000. When rupees 100 charges taken by bank, such amount less from opening balance, then bank less such amount from the opening balance. So here we less rupees 100 from opening balance, and the total balance of a and the remaining balance of a passbook rupees 900. But such amount not record in cash book. So the cash book balance remain constant, that is rupees 1000, and cash book balance rupees 100 more than from passbook balance. In this way, cash book balance differ from passbook balance in this case of a region. Next is the interest credited by bank only. When any interest credited by bank on deposit amount, it will record in passbook, but it will not record in cash book. Suppose rupees 200 interest credited by bank. So such amount add in opening balance of a cash book. Let the opening balance of a cash book rupees 1000 and opening balance of a passbook rupees 1000. When any interest credited by bank, such amount add in opening balance of a passbook. So we add such amount rupees 200 in passbook balance, and the total balance of a passbook is rupees 1200, but such amount not recorded in cash book. So cash book balance remain constant, that is rupees 1000. In this way, cash book balance rupees 200 less than from passbook balance. Next causes is the direct collection or payment made by bank. First we know in case of a collection. Suppose rupees 500 collection made by bank, then it will record in passbook but not record in cash book, because bank collected directly from any party. Suppose opening balance of cash book rupees 1000 and opening balance of a passbook rupees 1000. When collection made by bank, such amount add in passbook. So bank add this amount rupees 500 in opening balance, and the total balance of passbook rupees 1500, and such amount not record in cash book. So the cash book balance remain constant, that is rupees 1000. Here cash book balance rupees 500 less than from passbook balance, and in case of payment, rupees 500 payment made by bank directly, so it will record only in passbook but not record in cash book. Suppose the opening balance of a passbook rupees 1000 and cash book rupees 1000. When any payment made by bank, such amount less from the opening balance of a passbook, so here less rupees 500 and the total balance of a passbook rupees 500. Such amount not recorded in cash book, so the balance of a cash book remain constant, that is rupees 1000. And here cash book balance rupees 500 more than from the passbook balance. Next causes is the customer check dishonour. When customer check deposited into bank but the bank refused to make payment, it does not record in passbook. Suppose check of rupees 1000, bank refused to make payment. Business deposit a check of rupees 1000 into bank, but the bank refused to make payment due to any reason. When check deposited in bank, it will record in cash book, but it will not record in passbook because bank refused to make payment. Suppose opening balance of a cash book rupees 5000 and opening balance of a passbook rupees 5000. When check deposited into bank, it will record in cash book. So business add this money in opening balance rupees 1000 and the total balance of a cash book rupees 6000, but it will not record in passbook, so the passbook balance remain constant, that is rupees 5000 and cash book balance rupees 1000 more than from passbook balance. In this way cash book balance differ from passbook balance in case of a customer check dishonored. Next is the error and omissions. Due to errors and omissions, either in passbook or in the cash book, there will be a difference between in the bank balance as per cash book and passbook. And if any wrong entry made in cash book or passbook is the reason of a disagreement of a cash book balance and a passbook balance. Overall, all are the causes or reason of a disagreement in cash book and a passbook balance. Thank you.